In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall JumpCloud Agent on Windows. If you need to remove the JumpCloud Agent from a Windows computer, the process is handled directly through the JumpCloud admin portal. This is the cleanest method because it removes not only the agent itself, but also the policies associated with that device, helping prevent leftover management settings from staying behind on the computer. To begin, sign into the JumpCloud admin portal using your administrator account. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions to manage devices, since limited access accounts may not be able to complete this action. Once you're signed in, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct admin environment if your organization manages more than one. Next, go to Device Management and then open the Devices section. This is where you'll find the list of computers currently enrolled and managed through JumpCloud. Look through the device list and select the Windows computer you want to remove. It's a good idea to double-check that you've chosen the correct device before continuing, especially in environments where multiple systems may have similar names. After selecting the device, click Delete. This is the action that tells JumpCloud to remove the device from management. Keep in mind that deleting the device from the portal is more than just removing it from the list. It also triggers the uninstall process for the JumpCloud agent, as long as the computer is in the right state. For this to happen automatically, the device must be listed as active and system reporting. That status means the computer is currently connected and checking in with JumpCloud. When that condition is met, JumpCloud automatically removes the agent and its related policies from the computer. In other words, you don't need to manually uninstall the software on the Windows machine if the device is active and communicating properly. If the system is not currently active or not reporting, the automatic removal may not happen right away. In that case, you may need to wait until the device checks in again before the uninstall completes through the platform. So before deleting, it's helpful to verify the status to avoid confusion later, and that's the full process. Sign in to the JumpCloud admin portal, go to Device Management and Devices, select the device and click Delete. If the device is active and system reporting, JumpCloud handles the rest by uninstalling the agent and removing the associated policies from the Windows computer.